Slow car repair, slow car garage. Today we will be replacing these rear brake pads and rear rotors on my 2007 Mustang GT. Let's get straight to it. So to remove the entire brake caliper and brake caliper bracket as one, you want to go ahead and remove this top ball here. It's a 15 millimeter, as well as the one below it. That's another 15 millimeter. Screw those out. This will come off as one. We can get this rotor off. So I'm gonna go ahead and pry this away. I had the e-brake on, so you want to make sure you take the e-brake off. But please be safe and be careful. Make sure you have something behind the wheels, or if you have a manual transmission like mine, you can just throw it in gear. Set that up there. All right, so once you have your pads out of the caliper, you can see that the rear caliper is the type where you have to twist the caliper inward, so you twist it clockwise. There's a special tool for it. All right, so I went ahead and got this tool from Advanced. It's gonna fit into this groove right here, and I just had to turn it clockwise to get the piston. So this section of the tools is the tool that you're gonna wanna put in here. So let's see if I get a better angle. Go in just like this, and then you just get an extension and a 3/8 ratchet, and go ahead and turn it. So as you can see, the caliper is almost fully compressed. It took a lot of turning and a whole lot of pushing and turning, but sure enough, it's going. Keep in mind when you're turning this, you see those tabs, you want them to be facing vertical. So one tab here, so they can line up with the tabs that are on the brake pads. So you want to have the pins facing straight up and down, or these slots facing straight up and down so they can fit onto the notches on the brake pad themselves. So that's it, it's that simple. That's how you replace the brake pads and brake rotor on 2007 Mustang GT. I think I skipped the part where I actually put the rotor on, but I mean, you just take the old one off and put this one on, so it's nothing really to show. But that's all for today's video. Slow car repair, slow car garage. Peace out.